Hey guys, welcome to brainAttic. So today we have another very easy and fun integral problem to solve. This question was very recently asked in JEE Mains 2022. So if you do want to give it a try, you may pause the video now and give it a try. Otherwise, we can continue solving the problem. Now, the reason for selecting this problem is that when you see the question and you see an integral like this, students often get scared that this question may be very tough to solve. But on the contrast, this question is very easy and can be very easily solved. The only thing which you know specifically for this problem is the formula for integration by parts. And in integration by parts, let's recapitulate the formula. We have integral over u dv. This I can rewrite as uv minus integral over v du. Now, the best thing about integral by parts is that once you identify what is going to be your u and what is going to be your v, it becomes fairly easy to solve the integral. So let us begin by seeing what is the integral given to us. So I of x is given to us as integral over secant square x, and I'll just bring the sign term up instead of the denominator and write this as minus 2022 dx. And the second part will be 2022 integral over sine x to the power minus 2022 dx. Fair enough. So I've just rewritten the term for I of x. Now we have identified that our u is going to be sine of x 2022 and our v is going to be secant square x. Now, once we have decided this, this becomes a very easy integral to solve and we get, so the first term, so we are applying integration by parts on this alone for now. We are not going to touch the second part of the integral in the first place. So when solving the first integral, we have then tan of x sine of x power minus 2022 this. So you see uv is set to us. Okay, now minus integral, we have to take the differentiation of u, so that comes out to be minus 2022 sine of x. This power gets increased to reduced to minus 2023. Sine of x becomes cos of x. All of this happened with chain rule, and we are going to write v. Now for v is secant square x dx. So v after integration it becomes tan of x. Uh, just don't take this exactly. It's type I'm trying to explain. I'm just trying to explain. It's not equal to. I'm just trying to explain it to you. Tan of x d. Now this one term, and we have the last part. So we have the second part. I'm going to write again. This part I'm going to write again. Sine of x minus 2022 d of x. Okay. So this eventually becomes tan of x sine of x minus 2022. This is now 2022. This minus sign and this minus sign add up and become positive sign. So we have now sine of x minus 2022 d of x. This cos term and one sine term cancel out the tan of x. And here we have minus 2022 integral sine of x to the power minus 2022 dx. Now these terms cancel out each other and eventually we have that I of x is equal to tan of x sine power minus 2022 and an integration constant c. Now in the question we are given a condition as well that I of pi by 4 is equal to 2 to the power 1011 or 1011. Okay, so we'll apply that. So x is equal to pi by 4. If we apply, we get tan of pi by 4 is 1. Sine becomes 1 by root 2. We have minus 2022 plus c, and this is equal to 2 to the power 1101. Okay, this eventually gives me that 2 power 1011 plus c is equal to 2 power 1011, and they cancel out each other and my integration constant is equal to 0. So we have found out that I of x is nothing but tan of x by sine of x power 2022. Correct? Now the question has become very, very easy. So what we are going to do is first we are going to put x is equal to pi by 6. So I of pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3, and here we have 1 by 2 power 2022, and this we can write as, sorry, 2 power 2022 by root 3. Correct? And then x is equal to pi by 3. If we apply, we see I of pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by root 3 by 2, 2022, and this is nothing but 202, sorry, 2 power 2022 by root 3, 2020 in product with root 3 again. So I'm just splitting it up. Now this you can rewrite as 1 by 3 power 1010 I into pi by 6. This part of the term is I pi by 6. So we have got our final answer, that 3 power 1010 I into pi by 3 minus I into I of pi by 6 is equal to 0. Let's see which option is correct, and we do find that option A is correct. So if you do like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.